This is AI Command App News, your daily briefing on the AI and tech stories moving markets and reshaping how businesses operate. Here are the 5 biggest stories you need to know today. We start in France, where the AI infrastructure race just got a lot more expensive. SoftBank announced this week that it will invest up to 75 billion euros, roughly $52 billion, to build a network of AI data centers across France. The goal: develop and operate up to 5 gigawatts of capacity, starting with 3.1 gigawatts in the north of the country. 5 gigawatts. That's the output of several nuclear reactors, dedicated entirely to artificial intelligence. Why it matters. Europe has been falling behind the United States and China on AI compute, and this is the continent's bid to close that gap. But the bigger business story is power. As MarketWatch noted this week, the market hasn't fully priced the next logical step in the AI build-out: big tech acquiring regulated utilities outright. When AI's appetite for electricity collides with the grid your community depends on, the data centers come first. Investors should be watching the utility sector as closely as they watch the chip makers. Story 2. The pecking order at the top of AI just changed. Anthropic has surpassed OpenAI to become the world's most valuable AI startup. For a sector where OpenAI has been the default headline for years, that's a genuine shift. And it tells you capital is rewarding the companies that enterprises actually trust to run in production, not just the ones with the most consumer buzz. Which brings us to story 3, the AI cost reckoning. A report this week revealed that one unnamed company accidentally spent $500 million on Claude in a single month. The cause? They failed to put usage limits on the AI licenses they handed to employees. The meter just kept running, and it wasn't isolated. The same week, Microsoft's GitHub Copilot rolled out new token-based billing, and developers were furious. "What a joke," was one of the cleaner reactions. The lesson for every business leader: AI spend is becoming a line item that can spiral out of control overnight. If you don't own the meter, you're at the mercy of someone else's pricing model. Governance, usage caps, and cost visibility are no longer optional. Story 4 is a reality check. Starbucks has quietly abandoned an AI inventory tool because, according to the report, it couldn't reliably count. It's an easy headline to laugh at, but there's a serious point underneath. Enterprise AI doesn't fail because the technology is fake. It fails when it's bolted onto systems it can't fully see. The winners are integrating AI into connected operations. The cautionary tales are the ones who treated it as a magic add-on. And finally, the markets. It's a busy week ahead for investors. The chip sector remains the engine of this market. One chip maker is aiming for its 9th straight triple-digit gain, with Broadcom and Credo Technology reporting earnings this week, and Goldman Sachs massively reset its price target on Snowflake for 2026, a sign that Wall Street is repricing the data and AI software names. But a word of caution. MarketWatch warns that double-digit earnings growth won't necessarily stop the next bear market. Historically, spiking S&P 500 profits often signal the final innings of a bull run, not the beginning. Strong earnings and thin ice can exist at the same time. So here's your bottom line today. The money is pouring into AI infrastructure and the power to run it. The leadership board is shifting toward the companies enterprises trust, and the smartest operators are the ones getting control of their AI costs and connecting it to systems they actually own. That's your AI news for today from AI Command App. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.